Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today I have another 2026 Model X Plaid that has just received our full T-Largo R wide body program. Let me go over all the details with you. This Model X came to us from out of state in the brand new diamond black finish that Tesla is currently offering. However, this customer wanted to go for a complete satin matte overall appearance with a few accessories left gloss. But starting off with the wrap, we used T-Max satin black PPF film for a full color change and to go ahead and protect the paint underneath. Now, continuing with the theme of satin, the T-Largo program is a gloss carbon fiber finish, but this customer wanted everything to be satin or matte. So we went ahead and used T-Max satin clear PPF film to go ahead and not only protect all the carbon fiber parts, starting with the lower front apron, the front wide body wheel arches, the lower rocker panel side skirts, the rear wide body wheel arches, the rear diffuser, and the wing were all wrapped to protect the carbon, but also to now change from a gloss finish to a satin finish. However, this customer did decide to go ahead and leave the wheels that come with the T-Largo program in gloss black. And I think that was a great idea because it does tie in nicely with all the existing gloss black window trim that is standard on the Model X. Now, this is a Plaid, and typically the brake calipers are going to be in a red sporty finish. That doesn't work with this theme. We went ahead and painted the calipers satin black and reapplied the Tesla letters on there. Very nice attention to detail. Matte carbon fiber side mirror caps, front fender camera housings were also added to go ahead and give this overall carbon and matte look, finished off with the front V-line trim in matte carbon fiber as well. This looks really good. I mean, this is definitely a striking overall appearance, very sporty, a little edgy, and quite frankly, it's the way we think every Model X should look. Thank you so much for watching. If you love our content, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.